Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to make your phone number private on Google Pixel 9a. Let's begin! It's a little bit tricky, but I bet you can do it. First of all, go to your phone application. Then click those three dots in the top right corner and go into the settings. Here you want to click calling accounts, and inside of here we can choose our service from our SIM card. As you can see, I'm currently in a service called Play, so I'm going to click it. And here we have few settings. I don't think they should really change depending on your service provider, but you should be able to see something like additional settings. At least that's how I see it. So I'm going to click additional settings, and then I want to go to caller ID. So as you can see here, it says that use default operator settings to display my number in outgoing calls, meaning that whenever I will go and click hide number, our number will be hidden in outgoing calls, meaning that our phone number will be private and no one will ever know who we are. Crazy, right? Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.